We think the internet is a cloud, but it's actually a journey. To understand how a website works, we have to stop looking at code and start looking at architecture. Every time you click a link, your computer sends a messenger on a round trip journey to fetch data. Let's visualize that messenger as a person named Adam, and the website as the Louvre Museum. First, Adam needs a vehicle. This is your browser, Chrome, Safari. It is simply a tool designed to transport your request from point A to point B. Adam tells the driver, the Louvre, but the driver doesn't know names, he only knows GPS coordinates. Computers are the same, they don't speak English, they speak numbers. So your browser checks the DNS, it is the internet's phone book. It translates the human name louvre.fr into the computer address or IP address. Now the car moves, but the internet is public roads. Anyone can look inside the car. That's why we use HTTPS. It puts the car inside an armored, encrypted tunnel so no one can spy on your request. Adam arrives at the destination, the server. But before he enters, he hits the firewall. This is the security guard. It filters incoming traffic to stop hackers or viruses from entering the building. Adam is inside, but the paintings aren't just lying on the floor. He has to ask the backend code, which is the curator. The backend is the logic and brain. It decides if you're allowed to see the content and what specific content you need. The curator doesn't memorize every painting. He goes to the database, the vault. This is where the actual raw data, user info, images, products, is stored in organized boxes. The curator hands the data to Adam. Now your browser has the ingredients, but it has to build the room for you to see it. It does this in 3 layers. First, HTML. This is the skeleton. It puts the walls and text in the right order. It's functional, but ugly. Second, we have CSS. This is the interior design. It tells the browser what colors, fonts, and layout to use to make it look good. And finally, we have JavaScript. This is the electricity. It makes the site interactive, like buttons that click and menus that slide. Here's the catch. The internet has amnesia. Without help, the museum would forget Adam the second he leaves. The guard puts a cookie on his jacket. This is a saved ID badge. Next time Adam visits, the website reads the badge, remembers his preferences, and keeps him logged in. Adam had to find the address, drive the car, pass security, ask the curator, retrieve the data, and build the room. Your browser just did all of that in half a second. The internet isn't magic, it's just the world's biggest, fastest museum. So don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.